Hello, welcome to Capsim Capstone 2024. The top 10 winning guide tips for round 4. I recorded this video to guide you for round 4 with the top 10 winning guide tips. So first we check the Capsim. Remember you always need to check it in round 1. In round 1 you need to check industry condition report to find out the number for your game here. And also we need to update that with the table 3 to increase performance and size here for 8 rounds. You can download the free Excel file like this under this video in the comment part to calculate for 8 rounds. We calculate this for 8 rounds and then we don't have to calculate each round manually. You just download the free Excel file and update this row only one row update, and then you can get that. You can check the video for round 1, 2, 3 and find the details. And now this is top 10 winning tips for round 4. First we update the product 7.8 and 12.2 for the first product traditional. Low end we update last round, we don't have to update. Low end we update only one time for 7 round and one more time in round 7. And now for the high end 11.6 and 8.4, and for performance 13.4 and 13.2, and for size 6.6 and 6.8, and this okay, right? So the new product is ready to sell. So from round 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the last 5 rounds, we will have the top sale and profit. We check the launching dates, very good, right? Very nice. And for the marketing, we reduce the price by 50 cents. So this we have for round 4 we reduce $1, so we can start selling very well. If you want, you can double check here. I noted the price here, so we can keep track of that, right? And 18.5, so we will boost the sales by reduce $1 only this round. The other round we reduce 50 cents. 32.5, 18.5, 27.5, and also after 32.5. For this round we win spend strongly on promotion and sales for 2,000, so we can start lead the game with top sales and profit. So we use 2,000 for all. Next round we can reduce back for 1,400 to maintain the competitiveness. And now the most important thing is to calculate the sale forecast. Here for the sale forecast, you see we can use this number, unit result from last round and inventories. Unit result from last round for inventory to calculate the sale forecast. Now you see we use Excel file to calculate the sale forecast, right? So we can have this number. We add about 15%. So okay, we add 20% because now we started selling very well. So we can add 20% for sale forecast, and then we can use that also calculate the production also. So that's the way we calculate the sale forecast. You can download the Excel file to use for your 8 rounds in the command part of this video. Now we input the sale forecast. We just calculate it, right? 966, 763 for the performance, and for the size 1043, and for the new product low end 2735. From round 4 we will have top sale and profit to lead the game. You will see we double the sales and double the sale and double the profit, much higher than competitors. And now we calculate the production. You see the production here. You see we calculate for we input number for the production. So we put in the production calculated already. We use demand and sale forecast and minus inventory. Okay, we double check the number, right, for the production plan. Okay, and now it's very important to check the capacities and also update the capacities and also the automation, right? we update the automation first, and now we update the, we have 81 enough budget too, so we update the production capacities, right? We update the production capacity. We still have some, we can increase this by 100 for this performance next round, and also this one 100. And one more 100, 300 for the new. Okay, so we adjust this to match the max we can produce, max capacity we can produce. Okay, that's for the production. So we check the top 10 winning tips again. So we remember to update the industry, check with the industry condition report, download the free Excel file, and update IND for round 4. We don't add new product round 4, no need no need in round 4, no need in round 4, right? And set prices, stronger promotion sales for round 4, especially round 4. We need that. Calculate the sales forecast and calculate the production schedule. I have told you, right? Add new capacity, increase automation. For round 4 now we come back with the game. We check the decision for each arm, 5080 hours. That's the max we can, so we get very strong workforce. And for round 4 we have enough here, so I suggest you use 3 sources, so you can pay some small dividends, 17,000 for, so we have enough cash to operate, and we can avoid any kind of fluctuation or circumstances. So we use TQM here, we use 1,100 for each, and we use for, if you want you can customize a little bit, but this is the best we can do. So you see we get very high sales here, 292 and 42% of contribution margin and 20,000 of net profit. That's very high. You can check here, we can nearly increase the 50% of sales, and also increase the net profit to 22,000, much higher than all competitors, right? And nearly equal to the total profit of the first 3 rounds. So we will get the top sale and profit from round 4. So that's the overview of top 10 winning guide tips for round 4. You can contact for free support or support for a round, or send the email to mbahealth2002@gmail.com, or you can check the Capsim Guide 2021.blogspot.com for updated new winning guide and tips, or you can get a 1-hour Zoom session for support of any rounds. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.